Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to open up your sunroof in your 2016 Tesla Model S. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Model S logo right there on the bottom left of the screen. And once we get to the screen, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the sunroof right there, which it says open up. And it will automatically open up for you. And if you would like to stop it, you can stop it as well. And let me open it up all the way so you can see. And to close it again, sorry, it's a little bit bright. To close it again, just close it. And it should close out for you. And yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.